Hey there, space explorers! Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how rockets fly into space? It's like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's science. Rockets are amazing machines that use powerful forces to blast off the ground and soar among the stars. Rockets come in all shapes and sizes, but they all have one thing in common. They help us explore the vast universe around us. From sending astronauts to the International Space Station to launching telescopes that peer into the deepest corners of space, rockets are our ticket to adventure. But how do these incredible machines actually work? Get ready to find out. We're about to dive into the exciting world of rocket science and discover the secrets behind their incredible journeys. Fasten your seatbelts, space cadets, because it's going to be a thrilling ride. To understand how rockets fly, we need to learn about a cool scientific rule called Newton's third law of motion. This law says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Imagine you're standing on a skateboard and you throw a heavy ball forward. What happens? You roll backward. That's Newton's third law in action. You push the ball forward, action, and the ball pushed you backward, reaction. Rockets work the same way. They burn fuel inside a special chamber called a combustion chamber. Burning the fuel creates hot gas that gets pushed out of the rocket's nozzle with tremendous force, action. This action creates an equal and opposite reaction that propels the rocket upward, reaction. It's like a giant game of push and pull, but instead of hands, we're using fire and gas. Pretty cool, huh? Want to see Newton's third law in action for yourself? Let's do a fun experiment. You'll need a balloon, a straw, some tape, and a long piece of string. First, thread the string through the straw and tie each end of the string to 2 chairs or doorknobs to create a track for your balloon rocket. Next, inflate the balloon but don't tie it off. Hold the end tightly, then use tape to secure the straw to the side of the balloon. Now let go of the balloon and watch it zoom across the room. What happened? When you let go of the balloon, the air inside rushed out the open end, action. This created a force that pushed the balloon forward along the string, reaction. Your balloon became a mini rocket. Section 4. Fueling the fire. What makes rockets go? Just like our bodies need food for energy, rockets need fuel to power their incredible journeys. Without fuel, a rocket is just a heavy metal tube sitting on the ground, unable to move. Rocket fuel is special because it burns very fast and creates a massive amount of energy. This energy is what propels the rocket off the ground and into the sky, overcoming the force of gravity. This energy heats up and expands the air inside the rocket engine, creating the powerful thrust needed for liftoff. The expanding gases push against the rocket, forcing it upwards with incredible force. There are different types of rocket fuel, but the two most common are liquid fuel and solid fuel. Each type has its own unique properties and is used for different kinds of missions. Liquid fuel rockets, like the mighty Saturn V that took astronauts to the moon, use a mixture of liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. These fuels are extremely cold and must be stored at very low temperatures. These liquids are stored in separate tanks and mixed together in the combustion chamber where they ignite with a big bang. The resulting explosion creates a tremendous amount of thrust. Solid fuel rockets, like the ones used in fireworks, use a mixture of chemicals that are already combined in a solid form. This makes them simpler to store and handle compared to liquid fuels. Once ignited, solid fuel burns rapidly, producing a lot of hot gas that propels the rocket skyward. The burn rate of solid fuel is very consistent, providing a steady thrust. Each type of fuel has its own advantages and disadvantages, and scientists are always working to develop new and more efficient ways to power our rockets into space. Innovations in rocket technology continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, making space travel more accessible and efficient. Section 5. Rocket Giants. Meet Saturn V and Falcon 9. Over the years, engineers have built some truly impressive rockets, each more powerful than the last. These technological marvels have pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible, taking us further into space and expanding our understanding of the universe. Let's meet two of these rocket superstars, NASA's Saturn V and SpaceX's Falcon 9. These rockets have not only made history, but have also paved the way for future space exploration. Saturn V was a giant. Standing tall and proud, it was a symbol of human ingenuity and ambition. It was as tall as a 36-story building and remains the most powerful rocket ever built. Its sheer size and power were unmatched, making it a true titan of the space race. Saturn V was used during NASA's Apollo program in the 1960s and 70s and launched 24 brave astronauts to the moon. These missions were monumental, marking humanity's first steps on another celestial body. Can you imagine riding on a rocket that big? The experience must have been both thrilling and terrifying, a true testament to the courage of those astronauts. Falcon 9, built by SpaceX, is a marvel of modern engineering. It represents the cutting edge of today's rocket technology, combining power with innovation. What makes Falcon 9 special is that its first stage, the part of the rocket that provides the initial thrust for liftoff, can return to Earth and land vertically. This groundbreaking feature has revolutionized the way we think about rocket launches. This means SpaceX can reuse these rocket parts, making space travel more affordable and sustainable. By reducing costs and waste, Falcon 9 is paving the way for a new era of space exploration. These are just two examples of the incredible rockets that have helped us explore the cosmos. Each rocket, with its unique design and capabilities, has contributed to our journey into the unknown. Each new generation of rockets brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. With every launch, we take another step towards understanding our place in the cosmos and the vast possibilities that lie beyond. Section 6. Secrets from Space, Missions Beyond Earth. Rockets are constantly launching into space, carrying with them exciting missions to learn more about our solar system and beyond. These missions are not just about exploring new frontiers, but also about understanding our place in the universe. Here are a few examples of recent missions that are pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities. The James Webb Space Telescope. Launched in December 2021, this powerful telescope is like a time machine, allowing us to see the very first stars and galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. It's equipped with advanced technology that can capture images in unprecedented detail. It's helping us unravel the secrets of the early universe, providing insights into how galaxies, stars, and planetary systems develop over time. The Artemis Program. This exciting NASA program aims to land the first woman and the next man on the moon by 2025. This mission is not just a return to the moon, but a step towards sustainable lunar exploration. They'll be exploring the lunar surface, conducting scientific experiments, and paving the way for future human missions to Mars and beyond. The data collected will be crucial for understanding how to live and work on another celestial body. SpaceX's Starship. This fully reusable spacecraft is being designed to take humans to Mars and establish a permanent human presence on the Red Planet. It represents a significant leap in space travel technology, aiming to make interplanetary travel more accessible. Imagine one day you could be one of the first people to live on another planet. The vision of creating a self-sustaining colony on Mars is becoming more tangible with each passing year. These missions are just a glimpse into the incredible discoveries happening in space exploration right now. With each mission, we are not only expanding our horizons, but also inspiring future generations to dream big and reach for the stars. Section 7. Keep exploring, the universe awaits. As we've learned, rockets are incredible machines that rely on the power of science and engineering to propel us beyond Earth and into the great unknown. From understanding Newton's third law of motion to exploring the different types of rocket fuel, we've uncovered some of the secrets behind these amazing feats of technology. But our journey doesn't end here. The universe is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the years to come? Maybe you'll be the one to design the next generation of spacecraft or set foot on a distant planet. So keep dreaming big, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of space. The sky is not the limit when there are footprints on the moon.